Hey everybody, I'm doing fine. And stuff. Anyways, I decided to do a unboxing of my Birchbox here. Cause I got a couple days ago, and I did buy some stuff. And it came today. It was supposed to come Monday, but it came right away. So I just busted open. I didn't look inside. I'm gonna be careful not show the label. So I'm gonna do a unboxing of Birchbox and Bath Body Works because I got some of. I have a story for you. It took a while for me to get something from Bath Body Works. Anyways, let's get to the Birchbox because it's not that very exciting. This is my January box. At least it's a box. So this is they did it small again. I don't know why. At least I can kind of read what they are now, but I don't know why they made it small. There's that. I haven't had white tissue paper in a long time. Okay, so here's the thing is I got the same repeats, like this, what is this? What are you? You are, a hair mask. So I got a repeat of that. I'm not keeping that. I'm not gonna tell you the prices because it's just some more repeats. I got this repeat of this, a repeat of the hair oil, a repeat of the mascara, and a repeat of the perfume, but I'm gonna keep it, so I have two because it smells so good. Anyway, it smells so good. Yeah. This is probably the only one I'm gonna keep. And then one thing I did get that is new to Birchbox is the same brand but a shampoo. The full size is $49. This is the sample I picked for my box. So yeah, I don't know. I might keep it or give it to my sister. So yeah, that's it. Only one new thing, and I'm keeping this. So yeah, not very exciting. It's hard when places like that are not getting their stuff, so they're not getting new stuff all the time. So anyways, that's that. On to, sorry, I'm looking over there because there's a neighbor outside. Anyways, on to my Bath Body Works. So I try to use my gift card. I saw some stuff I wanted to get. Some were sold out, so I had to take some out, and a few were okay, and a lot of stuff were. It'd be nice if they were say that it's sold out on the site, except, oh, okay, this is available, and I try to check out, and I say, oh no, it's sold out. So this is what I got. Not very exciting, but at least I got something after the sale before it ended. So yeah, this is the box. Stuff that I ordered. I hope the candles did not break because there's no air in this. So I got two of these. My mom actually bless her soul. Bless her soul. She's a great mom. There's sometimes we don't, butt heads and stuff, but I really appreciate her. So she bought this for me, and I still have my gift card with the money. So when we do go to Bellingham, I can go to that Bath Body Works because we don't have a Bath Body Works. We don't really have our mall. The only places that are still there is Chuck E. Cheese's, the furniture store, TJ Maxx, and of course the movie theater. They're only the ones that have the front entrance so they can stay there. But it's just sad that the whole mall is gone, and it's just hard to not want to buy Bath Body Works stuff online. So I got two of these, which is nice because I ran out of my other one, the full size, not this size. So I got that. And then I got two candles. Seriously. Oh, these guys. These are new. Oh, there's a little bit of air. One side doesn't even have much of... Well, that sucked. Look, they got didn't bring... I guess I didn't buy a lot. There, I'll move that box. Okay. Is this... Oh. Okay. And then I got... I think the weather. My candle's still good. It's just very loosened. Sorry. Well, just got excited there for a moment. Anyways, I think because of the cold and stuff, so it unloosened. So I got two of these. The only thing I could get for like the rest of the Semiannual sale, the rest of the stuff I wanted to get, I couldn't get. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can tell. Anyways, then I got another one of that. The cold. Oh, that's cute. Anyways, that's all. Things I wanted. I definitely needed to stock up on this because I miss this stuff. This is Winter Candy Apple, and I love it. And I like the 'tis the season, so I have some winter candles for this coming season or so. So, yeah. It's just like, I wanted they keep putting out stuff, and I'm like, ooh, okay. And then it's like, oh no, it's sold out. I'm like, then why did you not say it on the website? It took, I think, 4 or 5 times to finally, my mom doubly so I can stock up kind of thing. So it was very nice that she did that. And, yeah. I wanted they had a pumpkin spice latte that was, I think, 4 something. And I'm like, ooh, and it's sold out. And I'm like, ugh. So yeah, but I'm really happy what I got. I'm very thankful that my mom tried her best. And then for the Birchbox, it's sad. I hope they get their shipment and other products and get together. But I understand that the situation is hard to get products and stuff. But anyways, I hope you guys liked this video and like what I got for Birchbox and my mini Bath Body Works little haul for the Semiannual sale that I got. So yeah, I'm doing fine. I worked yesterday and it was a little rough. So yeah, I'm doing fine. Just doing the best I can. Just trying to stay busy. Get into a new routine is really hard because I'm so used to taking care of her. So yeah, we're doing fine. Luna's doing fine. I forgot to tell you guys, our cat is doing fine. She's trying. to be happy, and we're trying to get her some toys so she can play. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go. I love you guys. Comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bells for more videos. And I'll see you guys Monday. I'm gonna start doing some videos Monday, um, next week. And then hopefully February I'll get into my goals for the new year and put more videos up for you guys. So yeah, I'm just slowly getting into it, taking my time. Just bear with me. Um, it's still hard to losing a pet or loved one. It's just really hard. So yeah. Anyways, especially when my mom came in my room and she lost it. It felt weird. Because Socks lived in my room, basically. She slept in my room, and I took care of her and stuff. So it just felt weird. Waking up yesterday, um, yeah, I had a breakdown last night, or no, Friday night. Friday night slash morning. I thought I heard her scratch on the door. It woke me up and I started bawling. So yeah, it's hard. So yeah. Anyways, I'll stop rambling and let you guys go, and yeah, bye.